Hi guys, welcome back to UFO VPN channel. In recent weeks, DeepSeek is one of the hottest topics in the AI industry. More and more content creators and editors have reviewed this chatbot tool, which makes many users want to try it. However, when using this tool, it always reports the server is busy. Please try again later. In this video, we will show you some ways to fix the issue. Please keep watching. In the first part, let's discuss some common reasons why DeepSeek shows the server is busy. Please try again later. Firstly, it's just a matter of too many users trying to access DeepSeek at the same time. It can get a bit crowded. Second, if your internet connectivity is poor, or if there are DNS problems, that could also be the culprit. A shaky connection can really throw a wrench in things. Third, there might be service disruptions in your area that cause this error occasionally. Also, some countries or regions blocked DeepSeek, resulting in using it normally. It's frustrating, but it happens. Fourth, browser or app cache issues are also one of the main reasons. Now, let's show you how to fix DeepSeek server busy error. The first way is to refresh the website and app. To refresh the website, if you're a Windows user, press Ctrl and F5 buttons simultaneously. If you are using Mac, press Command and R at the same time. To refresh the app on your phone, just close and reopen the app. Clearing browser caches is a way to fix loading issues. We use Chrome as a demonstration in this video. Go to Settings and select Privacy and Security. Next, here you can see the Deleting Browsing Data option. Click on it. Then, choose the time range and select Cached Images and Files to delete. Sometimes, if your internet connection is unstable, it will cause errors. Please make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is working properly by using Speed Test tool. Also, you can turn airplane mode on and off, or switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to check your internet. DeepSeek may be unavailable in some countries or regions due to legal or technical reasons. For this reason, you can use VPN to solve the issue. UFO VPN provides more than 50 countries and 2,000 servers to help you speed up gaming, streaming, and browsing. Just free download UFO VPN on the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone to enjoy your smooth online journey now. The last tip is to contact DeepSeek support. On DeepSeek official website, scroll down to the bottom. You can get their email address and click on it to send an email to them. Don't forget to attach a screenshot to describe your issue. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.